Hello guys, welcome back to Midiamart Classic TV. Now today on trending story is that Mark has actually launched another application goes by the name Thread. So this particular application, which was launched yesterday by Mark, it garnered 30 million followers within the 4 hours of its launch. So up to now the number is actually increasing day by day and time by time. Well, this particular application having been launched and it is actually available in many countries, Kenya is not left behind, and because of this there's a little competition between the media personalities and also the celebrities of who has more following in this particular platform. So I just want to find out from the time it has been launched up to now, who has the most following in this particular platform in Kenya. Let me find out, and I'm going to begin with the one and only Eric Omondi. Let me find out Eric Omondi. Well, Eric Omondi has 28,000 followers, and let me add him. Let me search for, I just want to search for Nairobi gossip. No, this is the place where Kenyans find a lot of details. So Nairobi gossip has 37,000 followers. So I think, if I'm not mistaken, it could be the one leading at the moment, because even they have just come up to write that Nairobi gossip is currently the most followed Kenyan page on Thread. I don't think it is true. Maybe there are other personalities that I have not come across, but at the moment it is actually leading in following in this particular platform. And I know with the time, as time goes on, you find that another person will just come out and then they overlap it like that, and then maybe it will stabilize after maybe 1 year, 2 years, like that. You'll know who has more following in this particular platform. So guys, I have just tried to Google this particular two individuals, and this is just what I have just found out, because they have just come up with a competition which says that the one with more following, and I have just come up with a conclusion. Maybe, who knows, Eric will overlap Nairobi gossip, I don't know, or maybe any other person will come and overlap them, I don't know. So with the time we shall come out to know the truth. So guys, thank you so much for listening and following this video. Remember to subscribe so that next time when I post a video like this, you will be able to be notified. Thank you. See you in the next video.